planning to move your customer data to Autotask PSA. Then, migrate with the Help Desk Migration Service. It's an automated online service that helps import and export your data to Autotask PSA. Here's how you set up a data migration. First, connect your source and target platforms to Migration Wizard. Migrate to Autotask PSA from any supported platforms. Want to enrich your database? Just import your CSV files. Or you can export your Autotask PSA data to any supported help desk or CSV. Select the data you want to import. You can migrate such data to Autotask PSA as agents, companies, contacts, tickets. Then press on Match Items to match agents between source and target platforms. Click on Save Matching to apply settings. Now it's time to map ticket fields. Be sure you've done it properly and all your data will settle in the right place on your Autotask PSA. Once that's done, hit the Save button to apply your settings. Depending on your source help desk, you can customize your data migration on your own. The setup is done. Run your demo migration to check if the data migrates correctly. Have any specific requirements for data migration? Pick up a suitable support plan. Want to add any changes to data migration? Edit the needed step in the left sidebar. Ready to import? Click Powered by Help Desk Migration and try the app for free.